How to fix Hamster Kombat invite friends link not working. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix your invite links in Hamster Kombat. So without further ado, let us begin. So I'm in the invite section right here. So to fix this, what you need to do is to just exit the Telegram app, and then what you want to do now, just go to your settings, and then after that what you want to do is just go to general and then go to storage, and then from here what you want to do is just look up for Telegram, click on that, and then what you want to do is to just offload the app. So to offload the app, just click on offload app right here. So what this does, this will free up storage used by the app but keeps its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So yeah, what you want to do is just to offload the app and then just reinstall the app again. And then if that doesn't work, what you can also do is to just simply delete the app and then just reinstall the app again and then just log in your account. And then by then, your invite links should be working. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to fix Hamster Kombat invite friends link not working.